Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how can I log out of my Instagram on other device. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Instagram app. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now, inside your profile page, in the top right corner, you'll be seeing the three horizontal lines. Simply tap on that icon and then that will redirect to your settings and activity. Now, inside settings and activity under your account, select account center. And now, inside account center, what you need to do is under account settings, you'll find an option that says password and security right here. Simply tap on that. Now inside password and security, under security checks, you'll find an option that says where you're logged in. So simply tap on that. Now you'll see all devices currently logged into your Instagram. All you gotta do is tap device you want to remove. So once you tap on that device, you'll be provided with the option that says select devices to log out. All you gotta do is select that option, and now here you need to choose where you want to log out. So once you select it, you will be seeing the logout button of your screen. Tap on logout and then you'll be asked, are you sure? Simply tap on logout once again to confirm. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.